What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today we're going to look at Coinbase, which is a crypto exchange. Unlike Robinhood, where you can just buy crypto and trade it and sell it, this is an actual exchange. You'll get a digital wallet and you'll be able to pay for things with your cryptocurrency. Let's get into it. Okay, here we are on the sign up for Coinbase. So what you'll do, you'll fill in all the pertinent information, choose your state, create account. I've already done it, so I can't show you, but there's gonna be 3 levels. Like that'll be level 1, level 2, level 3, which gives you full access. All you need to do is submit a picture of your driver's license, front and back. They'll verify it, it's really quick. And then you'll be level 3, you'll be able to sell, buy, send. That's the most important thing. You'll be able to send cryptocurrency other places. But just walk through that, go through there. It's pretty quick process, and you'll be on your way. The longest part is setting up your bank accounts. But we're gonna go ahead and sign in. Here we are on Coinbase. This is what the homepage is gonna look like once you've filled out all your information and signed up. When you come to Coinbase, this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna see the cryptocurrencies, the change, the market caps, everything like that. And as you scroll down, you'll get to your portfolio. As you can see, my portfolio, I don't have anything in my Coinbase portfolio at the moment. I've switched everything over to GDAX, now known as Coinbase Pro. And we'll go ahead and click on Bitcoin. This is gonna bring up your wallets, how much cash you have in your account. And you'll see a wallet for every crypto that they offer on Coinbase. Now, you'll also see this little receive tab. Click on the receive tab, and this is gonna bring up this message saying that you can only receive Bitcoin on this address. If somebody tries to send you Bitcoin Cash to this address, it's gonna permanently be lost. You won't ever get it back. So only Bitcoin goes to your Bitcoin address. Click I understand. It's gonna bring up your little scan. And this is what people can scan to send money to your account. You also have an address down here that you can provide for them to send money to. Now, when you went through the process, if you got level 3, you can send and receive cryptocurrency. Now, we're gonna talk a little bit about Coinbase Pro, but I'm gonna do a separate video on this. Coinbase Pro is basically linked to your Coinbase account. You don't need to set up a Coinbase Pro account, because once you've set up a Coinbase account, it'll automatically pull that data to your Coinbase Pro. Now, as you can see, I've transferred everything from Coinbase. I'm still in the process of putting more money into Coinbase Pro, which it used to be known as GDAX, but it's Coinbase Pro now. And the reason that I did that is because the fees are way cheaper on Coinbase Pro than regular Coinbase. Even though they're like the same thing, it's way cheaper. The learning curve is a little more difficult on Coinbase Pro. But if you know anything about trading stocks, you'll be just fine. And that's gonna conclude this video. This was just a quick video on Coinbase, what it looks like, and why you should use it, not Robinhood, for crypto. So I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, this type of information, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell for notifications. See you in the future.